This vlog hasn't officially started yet. I understand that people think CrossFit is really stupid. Okay, I get it. But
They said that last time he got knocked out, he almost didn't get up.
This is the guy right here. I make him look good every day.
I'm not sure about every day, but
Not holding anything. There's no hardware pack there.
I'm in Midwest Drums, my quote-unquote bi-weekly checkup, and they say, hey, we got Earthquaker device pedals, and Walrus audio. And I say, what? And they also say, hey, look behind you. Remember that one time you said we should carry Meinl?
Find a place for this that isn't in front of something else, okay?
My mind is blown. Finally figured out why she is so fussy and sick. It's because she's got 2 flippin' baby molars coming in right now. And I cannot imagine how bad that hurts. Kids, don't do drugs. I go into Supplement World and I go to try and find a lemon drop. They ain't got no lemon drop. And then this jackweed right here walks out with 4 cases, not lemon drop, but just 4 cases. Bruh, wrong, I'm sorry, 8 cases. 9 cases and 2 4-packs. Wait a minute, he just went back in. He might come out more. But 9 cases and 2, what? I'm not going to Costco to shop. I'm going to Costco to use the ATM because they have the same ATM that my bank has. Boom.
Anyways, does that kind of make sense to you guys?
As far as
Yeah.
So, like, going back to the whole bridge thing that you did.
I'm trying this new thing. So like holding out the F for those 2.
Right, I think it adds a little bit longer.
Okay, here, so I understand that people think CrossFit is really stupid. Okay, I get it. But what the heck is this crap? It's a freaking mouse with a key. Who are you calling with a mouse?
Yeah. This is basically what I got. It's like the old.
I think my phone's gonna explode being over in the Microsoft area.
Come on, dude. Tell me you don't want to edit your videos on this bad boy right here.
Do I want to edit videos on this?
Look at that.
The screen size, yeah, but the PC, no. Going to Costco on Sundays is always a freaking mistake. So, I'm at Denver Mattress. Apparently they have this mattress that I want to look at. So I'm gonna go do it right now. I'm about to do a thing in 3, 2, 1. I got a new camera. Big fan.
Vlog test 1, 2.
Check 1, 1, 2,
This
6.
is Kyle right
9,
here,
12.
right here, right here. Kyle, that's Jay. And then we need to real quickly, oosh. What's up, dude? And then you just go, oosh. All right, all right, all right.
All right.